getting the cap ripped off right now of the 7.3 donor on the express van, exposing the beautiful Godzilla. Luke's making sure everything's out of the way, and then we gotta sneak the cab out of here. That is going to be the challenge. Godzilla is all ready to pull out. We've got new coil packs on the way for it, new valve cover, all the rockers and springs look good. This transmission is just massive. Donnie came in this morning and noted, he was like, dude, no wonder why no one's gonna be running these things. They're just big. I think the water pump is gonna need replaced. That fan is a little bent and angled back. So we're gonna go ahead and get a water pump on the way for it. The AC compressor is coming off. Of course, our 85 C10 does not have air conditioning on it. So not really concerned about that right now. Plus, with the new refrigerant that they're running, it's a little more difficult in these hot rod swaps to use the new AC pumps with the variable displacement compressors and all that fun stuff. So, valve cover's on the way. Might need a new wiring harness because this wiring harness is a bit chewed up. But we're gonna get this guy popped out of here, and we might have this thing swapped in by the end of this week, because we got our motor mounts in today and the header flanges are on the way, so we can make our C10 swap headers. Alright, you're free. Pull forward just a hair. Back up, because you're caught on the No. Back up, yeah. Keep coming. Hang tight. You got an oil cooler stuck, and then 445 cubic inch engine. Hey. Come back in. Come back. Oh, you're good. 445 cubic inches of factory American horsepower and 6 speeds of 9 million foot-pounds of torque capable transmission. So we just got this Ford Godzilla out of the truck, got the transmission ripped off of it, sitting here. I'm going to get it ready to get bolted up to the 10R80 two-wheel drive transmission, and then we have all of our mounts and everything we need to go ahead and get it swapped into the C10. So we're going to be working on that this afternoon. So there she is. Got the modular bell housing, so any mod transmission will work behind it, but everyone is going to be curious about transmission sizes. Starting on the left, we have a two-wheel drive 6R80 6-speed transmission found in the F-150s and Mustangs. In the middle, a 10-speed 10R80 two-wheel drive transmission found in the Mustangs and F-150s. And then here on the right is the Godzilla 6R140 6-speed automatic transmission found in the F2, F350s, and then E250, E350 vans. There is no wonder why no one is running these transmissions in their swap projects. They are absolutely ginormous, way too big for a Fox body or really anything else of that nature. So that is why we are going to start testing on the 10R80, get our control pack finalized with that, and then we're going to be swapping in a 6R80 as well to have options for both of those behind the Godzilla in your swap project. So hopefully our parts show up from Ford this week so we can get our valve cover replaced, cleaned out, new coil packs put on, and this thing might be running by the end of the week in the truck. I don't know necessarily that we'll have our drive shaft finished up and made by then, but it's very possible because this should be a pretty quick and painless process with our package and how we make it. So we're going to go ahead and get ripping on 10R80 getting bolted up, and then it's going to go ahead and get mounts with our Paul Horton Welder Series mounts that showed up. We got the unwelded version of them, just simply because we're hoping to utilize the Chevy clamshell style LS mounts that we already have, and with the plate on the side of the engine, we should be able to go ahead their catalog that they offer. A t-shirt maybe? That's I've these guys before. The most challenging original paper ever. Congratulations. You're the new owner. Well, look at that. It's a rag. So, this is their kit that is not welded. Comes as a ready-to-weld package. So you got your plates that bolt on the side of the motor. You got your tabs that come off of it that you can weld to your frame. And then the rubber grommets vibration damping that is also included in the kit. But we're really not going to be using this much stuff. Basically just the plates, maybe a little bit of the plating here to go ahead and in the square body. I already had the LQ4 6-liter swapped in here, so we really just need to make tabs that go ahead and mount on the LS swap mounts that you can kind of see there. So there's definitely no reason why we shouldn't be able to do that. Oil pan should clear as well. So looks like a lot of work, but I think we should make haste of it. So surprisingly, throttle body looks decent. I have a new intake on the way because that guy there is broken. Really not a huge deal. Probably could use this intake. Just plug that because evap stuff on this old 85 not necessary anyhow. But let's get at it.